What is up, you guys? It is Drew and we're back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I went from having normal old brake calipers to these nice fancy gold ones on my 2005 Harley Davidson Sportster 8883. And I'm just going to show you the overall process that went into getting these final results that I got on my bike. Alright, you guys, so right now I'm in the process of just sanding down the calipers. So what I'm doing right now is I'm sanding everything down. I obviously still have to tape everything up, but I'm going to be taping up the inside right here where it says Harley Davidson, just because I want to keep that like that. But going to be spraying 2 coats of primer. Right now I'm doing the rear ones. The front ones got its first coat and a half, you could say, of primer. Kind of running low on some primer right here, but using engine enamel. Basically it's for high temp. Usually brake calipers, I mean, it's a Harley, you know, I'm not doing any track days with it, so these calipers usually aren't getting that hot all the time, but you never know. So you always want to do the high temp things. But I'm going to be spraying this nice and gold just because if you see over here with the Honda CRF 450, has gold calipers. I did this last year and it still holds up and it looks really nice. And right now, since we just plasti dipped the wheels and everything like that, and also did a couple more areas that I'm doing, just refreshing up the whole look and want to paint the whole engine. Did want to spice it up a little bit by throwing in some gold, just like how I did with the Honda. You know, if you look at it, it's a predominantly red and black, white, you could say, to, you know, dirt bike. But you know, those gold calipers, you know, because they're big, they're small, not big, you know, compared to like my Mustang over there where it has 4 piston Brembos over there. These calipers are a little smaller, so a little bit of gold here and there, you know. On the rears, gonna be putting a saddlebag in the back, so probably not even gonna see those. Don't know why I'm doing that, but just in case. The fronts though, you're gonna be able to see, but you know, it's not that big, so that's a good thing. Taped up everything, so you can see. I mean, I'll try to zoom out real quick right there. You know, you can kind of see, you know, caliper's pretty small, so a little bit of gold doesn't hurt there. But just gonna continue with this whole process of sanding down, just using some regular sandpaper just so the primer sticks. But I mean, it is quite dusty in here, but I'll get back to you once I finish up and start to spray the first coat of primer. So right here, finished up the first caliper, just waiting for it to dry. Got its full second coat of primer. It's looking nice there. Then we're gonna go with I'm thinking between two to 3 coats of gold should be perfect, you know, just for it to have this same look on the Honda CRF 450 like that, which I'm pretty sure, I can't remember exactly, but I already did a how-to video, so I'll probably link that up in this video, and I'll probably look at that just to remember how many coats of gold I did, just to have it the same look. But I think it was 2 to 3. That one is about to get taped up, and after that it's gonna be primer time. All right, and just like that, she's all taped up and ready to go. Don't really care too much on how the back one turns out. Just want it to be gold, you know, not really caring about obviously full coverage or anything like that, just because, like I said, I'm gonna be probably putting a side swing arm bag there, so it's more than likely gonna cover the caliper, which kind of sucks. But I mean, with the whole rear end, you could probably still see it from the back, so still gonna put some nice coats on it just to make it look nice. And let's just grab this coat. Already cleaned it off and everything. She's taped up, ready to go, and just like that, and start to spray. Just some light coat, just a light coat for the first one. Gotta get on both sides. It's a smaller caliper than up front, so that's good. And I'm just get back to you on once the second coat's done and dried so we can start spraying on the gold. Here we are with the final results on the first coat. Right now it's just using this wheel paint, but it's also high temp. Like I said, probably not going to be getting that hot on this brake caliper, and it's the same paint that I use on that brake caliper there, and haven't had any issues. But this is the first coat here, so I am thinking it is going to be 3 coats of gold. So that's how it looks on the first one. The back one, I think it's the first coat of primer, so I'm going to spray its second coat and basically just swap, go back and forth. So that's how it is going so far, and I'll just show you what they basically look like in the final result. Like I said, I already have a video on how to spray paint your calipers, whatever. It's the same process for, you know, cars and motorcycles, practically the same process, just, you know, you got a smaller caliper. That's the only difference. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with the whole process. I'll just show you what it looks like with the final results. So as we're letting the rear brake caliper dry up, I already applied the third coat. The third coat was just a light coat just to make sure you got everything. But here are the finished results of the gold brake caliper. As you can see there, I did miss a little bit right there, but it's no big deal. You can't really see it. The main is right there. You can take a look at it from the other side. I personally think it's a good look. I mean, with the bike now, you know, you have all the red and black, and, you know, just a little gold hint do help, you know, just change up the whole exterior of the bike. And I personally think it looks good, in my opinion, especially with the new blacked out wheels and black forks. It definitely looks good, and I can't wait to see how the rears are gonna look with the new wheel all plasti dipped and done. All right, you guys, so here are the final and ending results. So we got obviously the front ones. Here's with the whole tape and everything removed, so that you can see that Harley Davidson, I'm not sure what you would call it, emblem, cover, whatever. And now with the back, this was the saddle bag or swing arm bag that I was talking about, but it actually still is visible, which I kind of like, because these rear ones did come out really good. So you can kind of see, let me try to zoom in and focus. Everything came out good. Did the same design here where I taped up the whole logo or branding right here for Harley Davidson. And right there on the back, obviously, you know, since it is a brake caliper, it is gonna get a little dirty here and there, but overall the results did come out good. So that is pretty much it for me. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys did learn something when it comes to spray painting your calipers gold or any color like this. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more content like this. It is Drew, and I'm out. Peace.